Managing a team that's always on the move can get messy fast. You're coordinating people across job sites, shifts, and locations while chasing down hours, messages, and last-minute changes. Most teams end up juggling spreadsheets, group chats, and paper forms just to keep everything running. If that's your day-to-day, Connecteam cuts through that chaos and puts everything your team needs in one place. Connecteam gives deskless teams a single mobile-first system to manage the entire workday. Schedules, time tracking, communication, training, tasks, and HR processes all live in one app instead of being scattered across disconnected tools. And with Connecteam's built-in AI features, a lot of the busy work disappears. Scheduling is quicker, training is easier to create, updates can be rewritten or translated, PDFs can turn into digital forms, and employees can pull up information instantly when they need it. Today, we're going to break down what Connecteam does, how it works, who it's best for, and why these AI features make it one of the strongest all-in-one platforms for managing a frontline workforce. All right, let's get into it. Connecteam is a mobile-first workforce management platform built for workers who aren't sitting at a desk. Employees working on job sites, serving customers, driving routes, covering shifts, or moving between locations all day. Instead of patching together different tools for scheduling, time tracking, messaging, onboarding, HR, and training, Connecteam rolls everything into one clean, easy-to-use app. Managers get real-time visibility into who's working, where they're working, what tasks are completed, and which updates people have seen. Employees get a single hub for their schedules, time clock, chat, tasks, training, documents, and communication. The result is a more organized team, fewer communication breakdowns, and far less manual work. Connecteam uses AI to streamline the parts of the job that usually take the most time. For scheduling, AI can generate a smart baseline so you're not building shifts from scratch or constantly copying last week's schedule and fixing everything manually. It can factor in roles, qualifications, availability, shift patterns, and past schedules, so you can focus on fine-tuning instead of doing all the heavy lifting. Training gets the same boost. The AI course creator can take a prompt or a block of text and turn it into a structured training module, including quizzes and supporting materials. You can still adjust it, but it eliminates the slow, repetitive setup work that usually comes with onboarding or rolling out new procedures. Communication becomes more consistent too. When you send an announcement, AI can rewrite, summarize, or translate so every team member gets the same clear message, especially useful for multilingual or multi-location teams. Paperwork gets easier as well. You can upload a PDF or existing document and convert it into a mobile-friendly digital form your team can fill out instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. And when field employees need an answer fast, AI-powered search helps them pull up policies, instructions, or reference materials from your resources. There's even voice-to-text to capture quick notes or reports on the go. AI isn't replacing the manager, it's just removing the repetitive tasks that slow everything down. Connecteam is built around a few core hubs, and the operations hub is where it handles the day-to-day work, scheduling, time tracking, tasks, and forms. Scheduling lets you drag and drop shifts, use templates, duplicate past schedules, and adjust quickly when things change. You can attach instructions or checklists directly to shifts so employees know exactly what's expected, and you'll get real-time updates when someone accepts a shift or requests coverage. A time clock adds GPS-backed accuracy. You can set geofences around job sites so employees can only clock in when they're actually there. Breaks and overtime can be tracked automatically, and you can export timesheets for payroll without a bunch of manual cleanup. Task management and forms help you assign work to individuals or teams and track progress in real time. Employees can upload photos, add notes, or capture signatures, which is great for inspections, deliveries, maintenance, or safety workflows. And the Forms and Reports tool lets you digitize everything from daily logs to incident reports. With File-to-Form AI, you can convert existing files into digital forms instantly, which eliminates paper chasing. To keep everyone aligned, Connecteam's Communication Hub replaces scattered text, group chats, and email threads with one central system. Chat and messaging support one-on-one conversations, group messages, and company-wide announcements with permission controls. Everything stays organized, and auto-translate helps multilingual teams communicate without extra steps. For important announcements, you can send updates to specific teams, attach files, and track who viewed or acknowledged them. AI can help rewrite or translate updates quickly, and there's even an AI agent that can answer questions based on your company policies and info stored inside Connecteam. The knowledge base gives you a place to store SOPs, safety procedures, manuals, and policies, and because it's searchable, employees don't waste time digging for information when they're in the middle of a shift. Connecteam's HR and skills tools handle onboarding, training, certifications, and employee timelines. Onboarding lets you create digital checklists so new hires can complete everything from their phones. Managers can collect documents, assign training, and confirm every step is completed before someone starts their first shift. Training is built for mobile. You can add quizzes, videos, tasks, and policies, and the AI course creator helps you build training faster using prompts or existing content, which leads to more consistent onboarding and quicker rollout of new procedures. The employee timeline keeps certifications, performance notes, incident logs, and milestones in one place, so managers have a clear picture of each employee's history for accountability and development. Now let's look at how Connecteam works in a real workflow. Managers start by setting up the team, adding employees, organizing them into groups or locations, and defining roles and permissions. Whether you run one site or multiple branches, you can structure it how you need. Then scheduling and time tracking fall into one place. You can build schedules from templates, set recurring shifts, and enable GPS time tracking with geofences. Employees clock in from the app and you can monitor attendance and changes as they happen. AI can help fill gaps and optimize the schedule layout. Communication stays centralized. You can create chat groups, send updates, share files, and see who viewed what, so important information doesn't get buried in random messages. Onboarding and training run through the same app. You can assign checklists, upload documents, and use the AI course creator to build training content. Employees complete everything from their phones, and progress updates show up in the dashboard. And the dashboard is where everything comes together: attendance, shift coverage, completed tasks, forms, training progress, and message acknowledgements. You can also generate reports for payroll or compliance, keeping everything accurate and audit ready. One of the biggest advantages of Connecteam is that it isn't office software adapted for field work. It's built for deskless teams from day one. By replacing multiple apps with one platform, you reduce miscommunication errors and wasted time. AI tools cut hours of repetitive work every week. Managers gain visibility across the operation, and employees get a consistent experience wherever they are. Training and onboarding become easier to manage. Communication becomes structured and trackable. Compliance becomes simpler. And as your team grows, Connecteam scales with you. For businesses that rely on deskless workers, this kind of structure becomes a real competitive advantage because everything runs through one platform instead of being scattered across multiple tools. Connecteam offers three main modules: the Operations Suite, the Communication Suite, and the HR and Skills Hub. Plans are flexible and customizable across these hubs, so you can tailor the platform to your specific needs. And if you're unsure where to start, Connecteam offers a free trial so you can test it before committing. Connecteam works for small crews, mid-sized teams, and enterprise operations with a deskless or mobile workforce. That includes construction and field services, retail, hospitality, manufacturing, warehouses, healthcare support, security companies, cleaning and maintenance crews, transportation, and logistics. It's also a strong option if your team spans multiple locations. Connecteam centralizes scheduling, time tracking, communication, and training in one place. If you're done juggling multiple tools, Connecteam replaces all of it with a single streamlined system. Connecteam keeps your team organized, on track, and all in one place without disconnected tools and workarounds. If you're ready to see it in action, click the link in the description. If your team has under 10 users, check out Connecteam's small business plan. And if your team is larger, you can try the platform with a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Give it a try, see how it fits, and make your workday a little less chaotic. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping your team moving smoothly no matter where the day takes them.